Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable apps background data usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, click on data usage, and then in data usage click on mobile data usage. Now here scroll down and tap on the app in which you want to enable or disable background data usage, and here you will see a allow background data usage button. So if you want to disable the background data usage for the app, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable the app background data usage, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can enable or disable app background data usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.